Hi, greetings from Vajag1.com. Aries horoscope today. Today, Aries, all eyes are on you, and you're receiving much deserved attention. However, not all of it is positive. Among the admirers, you'll soon notice individuals who may not have your best interests at heart. Be cautious with these people, as they might try to provoke or frame you unfairly. If the situation becomes too challenging, don't hesitate to take a step back. On a brighter note, you're likely to meet someone new today who will become a trusted confidant, offering fresh energy and positivity to your life. Health and wellness today. Your immune system needs extra care today, Aries. You're more susceptible to infections, so take every precaution to maintain personal hygiene. Avoid sharing items like towels, soap, or combs, as even small lapses could lead to health issues. Consider taking vitamin supplements to strengthen your immunity. Keeping your home clean and ensuring a hygienic environment will help minimize potential risks and keep you in good health. Love and relationships today. The stars favor open communication in your relationship today. This is the perfect opportunity to discuss everything that's been on your mind. Share your secrets, concerns, and dreams with your partner. They're ready to listen and understand. This honest exchange will deepen your bond, infusing your relationship with renewed excitement and friendship, bringing you closer than ever. Career and money today. Your relentless efforts to secure beneficial partnerships are finally paying off. Expect positive results from your recent endeavors, leading to a fulfilling collaboration. You might even receive financial rewards or recognition as a result of this partnership. Additionally, a close colleague will express their gratitude for your support, reaffirming your value in the workplace. Celebrate these victories, but remain grounded as you plan your next steps. Taurus horoscope today. Taurus, after days of feeling overlooked, today you're stepping into the spotlight. The attention of others will finally focus on you, and you'll rise to the occasion effortlessly. Whether it's a new friend entering your life, the reappearance of an old connection, or an unexpected work scenario, the day promises moments where you'll truly shine. Embrace this time with confidence. It's your moment to justify all the limelight. Health and wellness today. Your outward calm belies a storm of emotions within, Taurus. Similarly, your body might be harboring internal issues that suddenly make themselves known. Watch out for unexpected health symptoms and act swiftly. To stabilize yourself, drink plenty of water and keep your body hydrated. While this may provide temporary relief, don't delay in visiting a doctor to address any underlying concerns. Love and relationships today. You're longing for the emotional support of your partner, but circumstances may have created a physical or emotional distance between you two. Despite your best efforts, reconnection seems elusive at the moment. However, don't give up hope. Keep striving with determination, and soon the barriers will fall away, bringing you and your partner closer, both physically and emotionally. Career and money today. Work may not be proceeding as smoothly as you had envisioned, and this could leave you feeling frustrated. However, it's crucial to remain patient and avoid aggression. It could derail your efforts further. Progress requires persistence and a steady approach right now. While someone less capable might seem to wield greater influence at work, it's wise to steer clear of conflicts. Trust that your talents and efforts will ultimately pay off in the long run. Gemini horoscope today. Gemini, today is your lucky day. Your exceptional problem-solving skills will surprise not only yourself but also those around you. Expect to impress your colleagues with your innovative thinking and high confidence, which could lead to an exciting new project. Celebrate this success with loved ones, as the stars align for joy and positivity. To top it off, an unexpected visit from a friend could make your day even more delightful. Health and wellness today. Be cautious with items of common use today, as there's a risk of catching a skin infection. Maintain high levels of hygiene and ensure your toiletries and personal items are kept separate. Additionally, your eyes are prone to dust allergies, so protect them by staying vigilant and avoiding overly dusty environments. Prioritizing cleanliness and taking preventive measures will keep you in good health. Love and relationships today. The day is perfect for family bonding, especially with your parents. If you've been preoccupied lately, now is the time to reconnect. A simple call or an impromptu visit will bring immense joy and help you de-stress. Invite your partner along for a warm, familial experience. For single Geminis, this could be the day to meet someone special through a family connection, sparking a new and meaningful relationship. Career and money today. Your inner voice is calling, Gemini, and it's time to listen closely. Planetary influences today heighten your intuition, guiding you to make clear, confident decisions at work. Articulate your ideas crisply and directly to make a strong impression. Avoid vague or roundabout communication. Embracing this clarity will help you complete tasks efficiently and set the stage for professional growth. Cancer horoscope today. Cancer, your tendency to procrastinate has led to some unnecessary complications, and today, these issues are likely to demand resolution. Matters related to family and real estate are at the forefront and will require your immediate attention. Additionally, old, unresolved tasks are resurfacing, urging you to bring closure to these chapters before moving ahead. Take this opportunity to sort through the chaos and establish a sense of order in your life. Health and wellness today. Today is ideal for exploring natural remedies with your close circle of friends. Engage in conversations about home-prepared solutions for minor ailments, and consider using therapeutic ingredients like lavender oil or Australian tea tree oil. Incorporating these into your skincare routine can help rejuvenate your skin, especially during weather changes. Focus on nourishing your body and mind through these holistic practices. Love and relationships today. Your friends and colleagues may offer well-meaning advice about improving your love life. While their suggestions might help you update your dating strategies, steer clear of fleeting pleasures like casual flirting if you're seeking something meaningful. Keep your eyes on the bigger picture. Real love requires focus and authenticity. Trust yourself to find a connection that truly matters. Career and money today. After a period of hustle and high energy, today brings a quieter, more uneventful day on the professional front. This pause offers you a chance to relax and reflect. Use this time to appreciate the joy and satisfaction your work brings. Revisit the positive moments and remind yourself of why you enjoy what you do. It will rejuvenate your motivation for future challenges. Leo horoscope today. Leo, get ready to juggle multiple commitments today. From social and financial responsibilities to personal obligations, you're in for a busy day. Friends, family, and colleagues will turn to you for guidance and assistance, and your ability to handle pressure will shine. Whether offering wise words or taking decisive action, your efforts will leave a lasting impact on those around you. Health and wellness today. Today, avoid adding to your stress by being overly judgmental of others. If you've been feeling anxious, pause your activities and focus on recovery. Consider seeking help from a specialist if needed, especially if medications aren't providing relief. Incorporate meditation and yoga into your routine. They will work wonders in calming your mind and restoring balance. Love and relationships today. Passion is in the air, Leo. You've been holding back on your romantic needs, but today is the perfect opportunity to express them. Your partner is more understanding and emotionally attuned than you realize. By openly communicating your desires, you'll usher in a deeper, more passionate phase in your relationship. Don't let this chance pass to reignite the spark. Career and money today. the day starts on a high note for your professional life. A promotion, a new assignment, or even a lucrative job offer could come your way. Your dedication and hard work are being noticed, and recognition is well deserved. Financially, things are looking up as new income sources begin to flow in. Celebrate these achievements but remain focused on your long-term goals. Virgo horoscope today. Virgo, your social nature has brought many friends into your life, but not all of them are worthy of your trust. Today, take a closer look at those around you and be discerning about who you confide in. With your sharp clarity of mind, you're well equipped to tackle unfinished tasks and plan meticulously for future endeavors. Use this productive energy to clear backlogs and tie up loose ends. Health and wellness today. Work stress is taking a toll on your health, Virgo. The constant pressure at your workplace demands that you find effective ways to manage it. For immediate relief, consider a massage session or a meditation workshop to help you unwind. Incorporating a morning walk into your routine can also work wonders for your physical and mental well-being, giving you a much-needed sense of relaxation. Love and relationships today. Today, you'll find yourself balancing the demands of your career and your family, both of which are pulling you in opposite directions. While the pressure may seem overwhelming, prioritize your work commitments for now. However, handle your family with care and tact. They'll appreciate your honesty and dedication once the dust settles. Communication is key to maintaining harmony. Career and money today. Your career and family interests may clash today, and while prioritizing family welfare is commendable, be strategic about it. On the financial front, luck is on your side. Investments made today are likely to yield substantial returns in the future. Whether it's bidding or making bold financial moves, this is a favorable time to build your financial stability. Libra horoscope today. Friendship takes center stage today, Libra. You may reconnect with old friends or receive a surprise visit from someone dear. Your compassionate nature will shine as you help a friend navigate a challenging situation. However, if a friend seems harsh or critical, remember that they might be projecting their personal struggles. Be patient and understanding, they'll appreciate your support. Health and wellness today. Your health reflects your balanced yet surprising nature, Libra. While you typically take things slow, bursts of energy and changes in your skin can catch others off guard. Maintain consistency by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin radiant and body refreshed. Hydration will work wonders for your overall well-being. Love and relationships today. Today is all about second chances in love and friendship. People who might have wronged you in the past could approach you to make amends. Extend your forgiveness and consider starting anew. Similarly, this is a good day to reach out to someone you've drifted apart from. Whether it's rekindling an old flame or mending a friendship, take the first step to heal and move forward. Career and money today. Creative Libras, rejoice. Your innovative ideas will receive well-deserved recognition today, opening doors to new contracts and career milestones. Artists, musicians, writers, and other creative professionals will see significant progress in their endeavors. For those in traditional roles, now is the time to pitch unconventional ideas. They're likely to be met with enthusiasm. Financially, this is a promising day to explore new opportunities. Scorpio horoscope today. Today has the potential to be pleasant, Scorpio, but beware of getting fixated on minor issues. While your concerns may be valid, overthinking them can disrupt harmony at home or the workplace. Step back and focus on the bigger picture instead of letting small matters cloud your judgment. This approach will help you maintain peace and productivity throughout the day. Health and wellness today. Your well-being should take priority today. Consider investing in a clinical tool to monitor your pulse, blood pressure, and sugar levels. Regularly tracking these will help you better understand your body and make necessary adjustments to your health routine. Proactively keeping tabs on these metrics will lead to improved long-term wellness. Love and relationships today. It's time to reassess your love life, Scorpio. If a relationship is making you feel undervalued or unhappy, it might not be right for you. Letting go of something that clashes with your energy is tough but necessary. Trust the process. Moving on will open doors to a connection that resonates with your true self. A brighter love story is just around the corner. Career and money today. Financial caution is the theme for today. Tighten your budget by distinguishing between essential and discretionary spending. While money may feel constrained in the coming days, a new income opportunity could arise. Whether or not you can seize this chance will depend on your dedication and hard work. Be proactive and prepared to make the most of it. Sagittarius horoscope today. Sagittarius, life may throw a curveball at your carefully laid plans today. Events and circumstances might demand you to rethink a well-thought-out decision. Be prepared to respond responsibly and with adaptability. While urgent and unexpected developments may disrupt your short-term plans, they also carry the potential to redirect you toward better opportunities. Stay flexible and focused. Health and wellness today. Take extra care around water today as there is a chance of a water-related mishap. If you're engaging in swimming, sailing, or water sports, ensure all precautions are in place. Otherwise, your health is on a positive trajectory. You may feel inspired to take up a new exercise routine or enroll in yoga, motivated by someone close to you who embodies excellent physical fitness. Love and relationships today. Today is an ideal day to deepen your bond with your partner. Consider planning an adventurous outing or simply sharing a thoughtful lunch together. Married Sagittarians may find this day perfect for discussing exciting plans for family expansion. Nurture your relationship by indulging in shared activities and meaningful conversations. Career and money today. Your career prospects are looking bright, especially if you are in a profession involving travel or social networking. Today, your ability to forge new connections will shine, and you might build strong relationships with influential individuals. However, stay vigilant as competitors may be working hard to outpace you. Pay attention to your surroundings and seize every opportunity to stay ahead. Capricorn horoscope today. Capricorn, today is a golden day for creative individuals. Your talents and skills will receive well-deserved appreciation, and monetary rewards may follow. For students, the stars align favorably, encouraging you to face your exams with confidence. You're likely to excel. Overall, the day promises recognition and rewards for your hard work and creativity. Health and wellness today. Take it easy today, Capricorn, as minor physical discomfort, especially in the back or neck, could arise. If you have old injuries or arthritis, these issues may resurface, so avoid any physically strenuous activity. Rest and recovery are essential for maintaining your health. Consider light yoga or stretching exercises, but only under proper guidance to avoid further strain. Love and relationships today. Surprises await you in your love life. Your partner may express affection in unexpected ways, bringing an end to any feelings of longing or loneliness. If you're considering taking a significant step in your relationship, remember to approach it with mutual understanding. You've worked hard to nurture this bond, so avoid acting in haste and cherish the connection you've built. Career and money today. Fortune favors you in your professional life today. Your consistent hard work and sincerity will finally bear fruit, bringing successful completion to many of your projects. Expect praise from your superiors and admiration from your colleagues. Financially, the day is favorable, and you may notice a boost in your income. Celebrate your well-earned achievements. Aquarius horoscope today. Aquarius, today you are called to strike a balance between your lofty ambitions and the realities that stand in your way. While your goals are inspiring, you may face obstacles that need to be addressed head-on. Pay attention to the practical details today, as ignoring them could lead to challenges down the road. Be mindful that someone else's ambitions may conflict with yours, and navigating this will require diplomacy and patience. Health and wellness today. Great news on the fitness front. Today you are likely to meet a workout buddy who will help you stay committed to your fitness goals. You've started many health routines in the past, but they may have fizzled out. This time, with a reliable partner by your side, you'll find the motivation to stick with it. Whether you join the gym together or go running, today marks the beginning of a beneficial fitness journey. Love and relationships today. Aquarius, it's time to remove the rose-colored glasses when it comes to your relationship. Take a step back and honestly evaluate whether the relationship is truly making you happy. If it's not, consider making a change, no matter the social pressures or what you thought was meant to be. Trust your feelings and take the necessary steps to protect your emotional well-being. Career and money today. Unexpected financial gains are on the horizon today. You may recover money you had written off or hear positive news about investments you thought were dormant. Someone who owes you money may surprise you by paying it back, easing any financial concerns you've had. Today is a good day to follow up on past financial matters, as they could bring in rewards you weren't expecting. Pisces horoscope today. Pisces, today you may find yourself torn between what your heart wants and what your mind advises. This internal tug-of-war is an enigma, but listen closely to your instincts and trust the guidance within. You will find that following your gut will lead you to make the right decisions. Your family and loved ones need your attention today, so take some time to spend with them. Additionally, the stars are aligned for making travel plans, and you might find yourself packing your bags for a trip in the coming week. Health and wellness today. There may be a sense of melancholy today without any apparent reason. It might be hard to maintain a positive mood, but it's important that you try. Avoid isolating yourself, as solitary activities may only deepen your feelings. Instead, reach out to an old friend or attend a social gathering. Engaging in something enjoyable, like reading a good book or watching an inspiring film, will also be a great way to lift your spirits and relax today. Love and relationships today. Both you and your partner are bubbling with ideas today. Whether it's organizing a workplace event or hosting a social gathering at home, the two of you will make a great team. These activities will enhance your social standing and create stronger bonds with those around you. However, be cautious about who you invite. Keep those who truly wish you well close and avoid those who don't. Career and money today. As a leader, your role today is to inspire and motivate your team. Show appreciation for your subordinates, and they will work with double the enthusiasm. A little gesture like treating them or offering kind words can go a long way. A big project is on the horizon, so use your excellent leadership skills to guide your team. Your sense of humor will also play a vital role in creating a positive and productive environment. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to get daily full horoscope updates.